Hi everyone, this is Linda and welcome to my nookery. Well guys, this is a video I never thought I would have to make really. I don't know if you, this is Sunday, and on Wednesday last week I wasn't feeling particularly well and I was umming and ahhing whether to do my live or my interview, but I did. Hubby turned around and said, no, you said everything's all planned out, do it. So I did, had a fabulous time. Thank you to Jeanette and Ursula and V and Jeannie for their support. And then on Thursday I still wasn't feeling very well, and I went to the doctor, who informed me that I had had a mini stroke, but it wasn't confirmed. So they did me test, give me prescription, and referred me to the TIA clinic, which is the Transient Ischemic Attack Clinic in Warrington, near where I live. So I went Friday morning. I got an appointment and I went to see the consultant, who confirmed that in fact I had had a mini stroke, and I had to have a Doppler scan to check the veins in my neck, which thank goodness it was okay. The doctor then prescribed me some aspirin and some statins, which I am now going to be on for the rest of my life, and took a load of blood. Oh my lord, gosh, that hurt. And so I felt, you know, I feel fine in myself and everything. So we went to our friend's little birthday do. It was just a small get together and that. So we went, come home, and then I had to let my parents know. I didn't want to worry them, you know, unintentionally, so I told my parents, and then it hit me, guys, on Saturday afternoon. It hit me that I'd actually had a stroke, albeit a mini one. It was it's still a shock, and I think I cried most of yesterday, just with sheer shock of it all. That is why I didn't attend the Arnie Fiber Sisters live last night. I was just too tired, I was drained, I wasn't in the right frame of mind. But as always, Rick, who is my absolute rock, we've talked, and you know, we've just had a chat, and he's been supportive. But I also want to thank Ursula, I want to thank Jeannie, and I want to thank V. The links to their channels are in the description box below. Thank you, ladies. Your support, your prayers have meant so very much to me, and you know, guys, I love you to bits. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm still going to be continuing on with my channel as normal, doing my knitting and my crocheting, and the funny thing is, the doctor was saying, you know, the consultant was saying to me, and you know, I've got to exercise, which I do, you know. I go for walks at least 4 or 5 times a week, eat plenty of fruit and veg, which I do because I'm on Slimming World, and that's, you know, part of the regime I've been following for years. What else? Alcohol, reduce your alcohol intake. Well, I don't drink anyway, and smoking, and there, but for the grace of God, I packed in smoking quite a few months ago, so yes, thank goodness. That was a big thing too. So I am anxious, obviously, you know, and but I think I've got such a good support network around me, what with Rick, with all my Yarny Fibre sisters, and with Ursula as well, and obviously with all of you guys. I mean, you guys who attend my lives, who show me so much support. And I did last week say that I was taking this week off, and I think I you know, I need it, obviously. I you know, kind of, I knew I needed this week's break, so I'm not going to be on YouTube at all this week, and I'll be back on Saturday for the challenges, which the links in the description box below, with obviously my 3 little sidekicks, which are Ursula, V and Ginny. So and I want to thank you guys, my subscribers. You are amazing, and if you will, I was talking to the Ursula yesterday, and she said to me, reminded me to read Psalm 91. So I'm going to read Psalm 91, guys. It's something that I very, very rarely do. My religion is my, you know, my religion, my belief, and, you know, I don't wish to force that on anybody. You know, we've got freedom to choose, you know, what religion we follow and whatever. But if you don't want to listen to this, then I perfectly understand. Thank you for watching, but I am going to actually read this. Bear with me, my eyes are going to be up and down all the time, but I just want to read this. Psalm 91. He that dwelleth in secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him will I trust. Surely He shall deliver thee from the snare of the fowler, and from the noisome pestilence. He shall cover thee with His feathers, and under His wings shalt thou trust. His truth shall be thy shield and buckler. Thou shalt not be afraid for the terror by night, nor for the arrow that flieth by day, nor for the pestilence that walketh in darkness, nor for the destruction that wasteth at noonday. 1,000 shall fall at thy side, and 10,000 at thy right hand, but it shall not come nigh thee. Only with thine eyes shalt thou behold, and see the reward of the wicked. Because thou hast made the Lord, which is my refuge, even the Most High, thy habitation, there shall no evil befall thee, neither shall any plague come nigh thy dwelling. For He shall give His angels charge over thee, to keep thee in all thy ways. They shall bear thee up in their hands, lest thou dash thy foot against a stone. Thou shalt tread upon the lion and adder. The young lion and the dragon shalt thou trample under feet, because He hath set His love upon me. Therefore will I deliver him. I will set him on high, because he hath known my name. He shall call upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honour him. With long life will I satisfy him, and show him my salvation. At the end of every video, guys, I always say take care, stay safe, but more importantly, be kind to you. And this week I am going to practice what I preach, and I am going to be kind to me. Take care, everybody. Love you all. Have a fabulous, fabulous day, week, whatever. And I'll see you all again real soon. Bye for now.